And we're tossling. Hey everyone, it's Michelle and I'm so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing my June Boxycharm. I'm gonna unbox everything and try on what I can. Obviously there's probably gonna be some skincare in here that I don't know that I'll be able to use right now, but anything I can put on my face, I will. So Boxyluxe is seasonal. It happens 4 times a year. It's $50 for that month, unlike the Boxycharm subscription, which is $21 a month. So I do get Boxyluxe, I get Boxycharm, and then on the Boxyluxe month, I get Boxyluxe. So basically we're gonna go through and see if I think this box is really worth 50 bucks. All right, this thing is huge. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here's what we're looking like. All right, so first up, it's PYT, which is a hair brand. And I already saw a spoiler for this. I think it's super random. The color's cute at least. It's a mini blow dryer. It comes with 2 little attachments, a diffuser, and whatever this thing is. It's cute. The retail value is $85. Bull crap. $85. This thing is teeny tiny. Okay. Either way, I'm probably just gonna give this to my husband because he's always stealing my blow dryer and I'm over it, so he can use this one. This is gross. So this is the Dr. Brandt cleanser. What is this? pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. My bottle looks like it has been through hell. Jesus. Just making sure it's still sealed. It's sealed at least, but whew, that's been through hell. This bottle retails for $35. I'll have to read up on it before I decide if I actually want to use it or not, but I guess it's an okay addition to the box. I don't know. So far, I'm not impressed. Obviously, right now, I'm just going through the products that I can't actually use right now, so I'm not going to use a cleanser at the moment or that hair dryer. Next is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It's an AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This bottle retails for $58. It's full size, so it retails for more than the value of the box, obviously. This is what the bottle looks like. I can't put it on my face because it's a night serum, but I have a travel size or a sample size, whatever you want to call it, that I've been using, and I am actually liking it, so this is a good addition to the box. Good job, Boxycharm. All right, then we've got a Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture, styling and finishing spray. This bottle retails for $29. Let's see how to use it. It says shake well, section and spray roots to end. All right. Y'all pray for me. And then you're supposed to tousle. Tousle. Am I doing it right? It smells good. I probably just jacked my whole head up. It feels bigger. I don't know. Well, we'll see about this. Well, fuck, now I can't leave my hair uneven. Obviously, I'm not a hair person. I just mess with makeup. Clearly. Fuck. And we're tossling. Okay. The rest of the stuff in the box, it looks like I can use on my face as makeup. So there is no eyeshadow option this month, which is fine. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on and I'll be right back because that's how I start my makeup. I always do eyes first. So see you in a second. All right, my hair is up, my eyes are on, besides the lower lash line. Let's get into some stuff. So first up, we've got the Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence. They say this retails for $23. I do enjoy their normal No Problem primer, so let's see how this one goes. Oh. It feels hydrating. I really don't know what kind of primer this is supposed to be. I don't like that it'll just drip out. Kind of messy. Okay, let's put the lid back on. It says, let your makeup stay a while with the new Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence, infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. Yeah, silky, silky smooth. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. I'm going to put on foundation, concealer, powder, and I'll be right back. Next, we've got the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow 3. So this comes with 2 blush shades, 2 highlight shades, 2 bronzer shades. be honest when I say it, none of these shades are my favorite. These blushes are so pink, the highlighters look too deep, and the bronzer over here is way too warm for me. I guess I could try this one. I don't know. Let's put it on the face. I'm gonna go into this bronzer right here with a very light hand. Holy shit. I knew it. Oh, this thing retails for $45. Forgot to mention that. Oh, I think it's blending out. Fuck. I'm gonna add some powder to that real quick. I'm gonna swatch the two highlighter shades real quick just because they both look too deep for me. I don't really know. The champagne one's definitely too deep. I'll try to go in and use the pink one. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna go in with this one on the right and hope that it's buildable and not super pigmented. As I've said it before, I'm not a huge fan of pink blushes. Okay, good. Oh fuck, it's a little pink. I will say I'm glad my eyeshadow's green though, because I do like pink blush with green shadow. So that's a plus. I'm gonna try the pink highlight shade. Okay, I think it's pretty, hopefully. All right, next up is the Skin & Co. Radiant Dew Setting Mist. You guys know how I feel about setting mist. Spray 8 to 10 inches away. Y'all, I don't want to blast my face with this. It retails for $35. Fuck, man. Why? Here, you know what? We're gonna cheat the system. It smells like peppermint. It's like the mist wants to be fine, but it just can't. All right, that's as close as I'm getting this thing to my face. Next, we've got the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Gloss. I got the shade Strawberry Lemonade. This gloss retails for $17. Packaging is super cute. It's a very pink though. I'm a little scared. Oh, wow. It smells like Lip Smackers vanilla. Okay, I'm here for this. Please don't be too pink. That smell. Gloss isn't really that sticky either. Okay, that's a win. And I'm gonna go back into this real quick and put on an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use the gold shade for the inner corner. Okay. So that's pretty. Last item, this is the craziest freaking mascara I've ever seen in my life. The Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. It retails for $25. Okay, I'm not someone who curls my lashes, and this scares the shit out of me. Oh my god. How do you even, it's a half a lash curler. Like, what? In what world is this practical? Can't even get it close enough to my eye. Okay, fuck that part. Let's just try the mascara, shall we? I don't hate the wand. Let me take my hair down real quick. All right, let's talk. This is obviously the finished look. I didn't even say the theme was getaway. The theme this month is getaway. If you couldn't figure that out with that mini blow dryer. All right, let's go down the list. The Tarte Pro Glow 3 Face Cheek Palette. It retails for $45. I don't think it's worth $45. I get that you're getting 6 shades, but I can't use really 2 of them. The colors aren't for me. I'm honestly probably never going to use it again, and I'll put it on like Mercury or Poshmark or something. Not for me. Worth $45? Absolutely not. Does it add any value to the box? No, because it's going to go find a new home somewhere. The Touch in Sol No Pore Blend Prime Essence. It was alright. Obviously, I don't know if it's going to make my foundation last any longer. It says it retails for $23. I mean, that's not a bad price. It seems like you get a lot of product. You get an ounce, so pretty standard. Not a bad price. It's one of those things, though, I don't know if it did anything yet, so I can't speak to that. So for now, we have to say it didn't add any value, but I'm not mad about it. Like, I'll use it again. So adds more value than the Tarte, but we need to do more investigating on this one. The Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Gloss, easily my favorite thing in the box. This is something I would have bought on my own, so just to get it in the box is a bonus. $17 price. I think that's pretty standard for a prestige gloss, and I think it's really beautiful. The smell is phenomenal, vanilla deliciousness, and it's not sticky at all. So A++. All right, then we got this stupid thing. Why? No. I definitely would have paid $85 for this. Are you kidding me? My normal size blow dryer does a great job. It's like a Revlon something, and I think it was like $20. And it's jumbo. So, no. No, no, no. We got this dirty bottle of Dr. Brandt cleanser. I'm probably just gonna give this to someone. I don't want it. I have so many cleansers I want to try, and this isn't one of them, so it does not add to the value of the box for me. Oh, finally something else that I'm okay with. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. Like I said, I've been using the trial size I have of this, so I'm pretty happy to have a full size of it, so I can keep using it when the sample runs out. It retails for $58. Would I pay $58 for it? I don't know, I've only been using it for about a week, so I can't tell if it's really helping or not, but I'd pay something for it. So I'll add it to the value of the box. The Living Proof Dry Volume Blast, I need to use more. Obviously, I tried it, and I really don't know that it did anything, so I'll try it when I'm not sweating my ass off. We'll just have to put this in the same category as the Touch and Soul Primer. I need to do more investigating. Not sure yet. This mascara is not bad. It's too early to tell if there's any flaking going on. The wand was fine. I think this thing is absolutely hokey. This is just ridiculous. I get where they were going, but just having a little mini eyelash curler, no. If I was gonna curl my lashes, I'd rather just whip out, you know, a full-size curling one. I understand the theme is getaway, so you're traveling, you don't want to pack that extra thing, but if it's important to someone, they're gonna bring it anyway, so. But the mascara itself is fine. I don't think I'd pay $25 for it, but that's because I'm fine with drugstore mascara for like $7, so I don't need a $25 one, but it's fine. Last but not least, this Radiant Mist. How much do you think it added to the value of my box? No. So out of my whole $50 box, I thoroughly enjoyed two things. The Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Gloss and the Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy. So technically those two retail over $50, the serum being $58, the gloss being $17. So did I get my money's worth? Yes, technically. And there were some products in there that I liked. I just don't know how well they fully work yet because I don't just like first impressions. I kind of like to test things out. So now you have to decide. Do you want to sign up for Boxycharm? Are you already swimming in too much makeup? Are you drowning in cosmetics? Or do you just need more and more and more like me? I don't know. If you do get Boxycharm or Boxyluxe, I'd love to know what variation you got, if you got the same stuff as me, or if you got something totally different. Let me know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. We almost have like 100 people, which is pretty dope considering I don't have a life. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!